Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a ready clip and a clear voice. Open TikTok, tap the plus button, then import or record your clip. This jumpstarts the subtitle workflow. Make sure audio is clean and speech is paced so captions can sync. Once recorded, trim dead space and apply basic edits. Filters and speed changes come before captions. Save to drafts if you want a return. This approach prevents resync work later and gives you a stable file to generate automatic or manual subtitles quickly. Once the clip is ready, choose subtitles or auto captions. TikTok will generate a transcript you can edit. You must review every line. Auto-detected words often mishear names and technical terms, so correct them for accuracy. Split long captions so each appears for 1-3 seconds depending on reading speed, and drag timing handles to match speech precisely. Make sure punctuation and capitalization aid comprehension. This improves accessibility and engagement. After edits, preview the clip to confirm sync and legibility before finalizing. Now finalize styling so captions don't block faces or key visuals. Change size, color, and vertical position to keep text readable on small screens. Once satisfied, either post or save/export a copy with burned-in subtitles for other platforms. If you run into misaligned captions, check audio clarity first, remove background noise and rerun auto captions, or manually adjust timing. Make sure to preview on multiple devices. Small timing shifts can look different on phones versus tablets, and resyncing fixes that quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.